The market was rough today, right, guys? It's just like it's been pretty hard for swing trading. But I talked about this ticker before. I want to talk about it again. LGMK. I truly think we are not done. I think we're at the verge of this pumping this week. Okay, I think at the latest this week we get a nice pump. Where are we going to pump? My targets are always the EMA 5 and 10. I think that is realistic. I'm not trying to say, this can make, 200, 300% returns, but at this EMA 5 and 10, you're looking at least, now from here 25%. But I think that's so conservative, right? And then if we go up to this ATR4, which is a 38% lower Keltner channel, and then the EMA 10 is going to be the big gain of 84%. So I like I said, this thing has a very low float. I can show you guys that too on Dilution Tracker. But everything in this stock is just screaming oversold buy opportunity right in here. This is one of those stocks that is, it's got the volume, 12 million volume today, 3 million, 6, 9. So it's over 1 million, which is what I really focus on. These are the kind of stocks that, once they get the attention though, and the buy sides come in, this is going to go up big. And the biggest thing that I see here is this EMA 5 is under this lower Keltner channel. I don't see this often, but that right there gives me a signal to say, hey, this is extremely oversold. Along with this EMA 5 not getting touched in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 daily candles, I think this is way too much for this. 13 daily candles not touching the EMA 5. I'm really just trying to focus on accumulating. All in this area, we have been consolidating from 25 cents to the upper, let's just say 28 cents right in here, you can see. But we have clear support right in here that you can clearly see that price is respecting this area. Every time it gets here, it kind of went up, it comes back down. It's really liking that 25-cent range. So that my thing is, I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but I can assure you, though, if I'm going to play a penny stock, it's going to be LGMK. This is the one penny stock I'm going to play. They did an offering, which on February 14th or February 18th, which would cause this to go down massive. They had a reverse split way back in November of 2024. They're going to do one again eventually, but by the time that they do that and all this will pump way before then, okay? But yeah, you can look at dilutiontracker.com and you can see, this float is it's one of the smallest floats that I have seen, in my opinion, on all the stocks that I'm watching here. You're looking at a 26.97 million float. They got market cap of 7 million. You could also see they have lots of cash. I mean, the company has 47.4 months of cash left. They just did the offering. There's nothing to worry about that. They are burning 1 million a quarter, and then their current cash is 17.2 million. So, I mean, everything looks decent in my opinion on this thing. They got warrants that need to exercise. You can see right in here they have warrants May 2024. They have oh, this was the offering, my bad. They have warrants right in here. You can see at 88 cents, 59, and $1.91. But so we'll see if those get exercised. It's in their best interest to pump this up for that, but I'd be very scared to play this when it starts pumping. I'd much rather play it in here, go through a little bit of pain than here. I got really unlucky on this thing. I play this thing in the Discord, and luckily for my accumulation rolls, I do accumulate this, because a lot of people would be like, man, I'm struggling with LGMK. I don't know what to do. It's really sucking. And my thing is, did you watch the proper accumulation videos? I try to tell everyone, I'm going to make another one this weekend, but how to properly accumulate my reversals in the Discord. It's under Swing Trading Education. I pretty much tell everyone there's a set amount that I look to put in, whatever it is. It could be 1,000, it could be 5,000, and you try to accumulate 3 to 4 times is what I do. I personally doing 4 times, and you only buy 1 time at, usually at the end of the day, right? And so all these right in here is accumulations, and if price hasn't done anything, then I don't look to buy at all. So, and I'm only buying the fear, okay? So LGMK, I can't stress enough how bullish this is. This is extreme. Hey, that's soda. Sorry, guys. This is extremely bullish. You have a K value of 1.94. It's probably the lowest K value on all the stocks that I'm looking at. You can see right here, it's been at an extremely low K value. You have one of the most EMA 5 TDs. And the most important thing for me is the EMA 10. It gives me much more assurance like, hey, not only do I have an EMA 5, this EMA 10 hasn't been hit in a very long time. January 7th of 2025 is the last time this EMA 10 has been hit. We know price will revert to the mean. It's a guarantee, it's a must, but obviously we want to make sure that it gets hit soon because as every day goes by, this EMA 10 goes down. So January 7th was the last time. It's 224. We're due for that EMA 10 for sure. I can easily see once we get a strong market day, once we get everything bullish, this will touch the EMA 10. I think it can touch it easily in a single day if it wants to. I don't think we're going to fill this gap. A lot of penny stocks do not fill this gap up here at 57 cents. I would not worry about that. That's just in my opinion probably not going to get filled. A lot of bigger cap stocks tend to do that. But usually penny stocks not so much. My goal for this, wherever you are in this price range, obviously this is a really good average under near the 25 cents. Wherever you are, 10%, try to take that gain, okay? And I say that because I want to help everyone. Obviously I want everyone to hold so I can make money too. But I also, it's not fair because when I get 10%, I usually take some off the table, like 80% off of my shares, and then I hold that last 20% for more higher price targets, okay? Because I've seen these pennies go from literally this range all the way to this upper Keltner channel. It's very possible. But yeah, you can look at this stock. This stock has been known to hit this upper Keltner channel, which was very reassuring. Like in a blink of an eye, this thing can go up massive, right? We're at this stage right here where price is very depressing and we're waiting for that to come up. We've seen price literally skip the 5 and go to the 10 in a blink of an eye, going up 80%. So and here's the gap right here. We still haven't filled this gap. That's why I said don't try to rely on gaps. They're probably not going to fill. So don't try to do that. But LGMK is by far my number one favorite penny stock. I have not given up on it. If you're wondering what am I doing with it, I am adding to it. My average is really good. I've been averaging, just slowly accumulating this thing. I probably went a little more heavier than I should, but to me, all the bad news is out. Once it starts catching massive volume, massive attention in social media, and a lot of the algos start pumping this could go big. 1.94 in the K value, lots of EMA 5 TD, lots of EMA 10 TD. It has histories of pumping. So let's see what it does, all right? I'm not perfect. No one's perfect in trading, so remember proper risk management. Don't put your whole life savings account on this because you never know what can happen, right? And always accumulate bottom reversals. When you see price below EMAs, you'd never put all your size in one ad, all right? Because you could get absolutely wrecked and be like, wow, I bought it at 35 cents, and now it's at 25. And that you kind of want to just lower your average like that because a lot of these plays, I'm not kidding you, pre-market you can wake up and it goes up 100%. I've been in a lot of these plays where it looks bad now, but once it starts pumping, I mean, it's going to be really hype, okay? If you guys want to join the Discord, as always, you guys are always welcome to join. If you're new to my channel, I try to do a lot of updates. These are just one of my strategies of trading against the trend on how to do small caps. If I'm trading a penny stock, I'm always going to trade it like this because I know these are pumps and dumps. I want to get in before the crowd gets in. Once this thing starts pumping, it's extremely risky. If you want to click the link down below in the YouTube comments below in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts, guys. Right over here, please read how to subscribe. It'll tell you the same thing, hit day trade alerts. If you have a Android, you will have to use your computer to subscribe, and it's highly recommended because if you have a computer, it's better because you can avoid the iOS fee. So you get that straight $12 a month promotion that I'm running this month. And if you're not from the US, you'll probably pay like a little more than $12 a month. But I try to make it really fair and very affordable for everyone to try this system. I think trading is very hard. There's not going to be a perfect system that you just get in here, you make a million, you'll be a millionaire. I don't want that to be any of the case. I will say trading is hard work. It takes effort. I have lots of videos for you guys to watch: swing trading, day trading education, live streams. Come into the live streams. I'll give it to you guys real. I've been doing this for a very long time. I'm always improving. I'm always, I'm never perfect in trading. And these are kind of the things that I've done that has worked for me consistently. Okay, so keep accumulating, have a set amount you want to do, and once this hits this, once this starts pumping, we can look at our exit plan. Okay, my exit plan is always 10%. Most of my biggest gains is when it runs pre-market, and I make more than that. So we'll see. All right, guys. Happy trading. Hope to see you in the Discord if you want to join. I'm running a promotion. Biggest discount you'll ever get. Just click day trade alerts if you want to join all my services. Day trading is always my favorite. I try to tell everyone that. Learn my day trading strategy. I have lots of education for this. You're going to make money every single day. No matter bull or bear in the market, you'll make money. I do a very nice strategy, and I think anyone can learn it. All right, LGMK, best #1 penny stock, in my opinion, that can make the biggest pump on the most oversold type of pattern I see here. This is the stock that I'm recommending. Peace out, guys.